Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enter Fastboot and Rescue Mode on the Huawei P9 Lite 2017. At the very beginning, press the power key and choose Power Off, then tap Power Off again to confirm. Wait until your device is completely switched off. Prepare a micro USB cable connected to your PC, then start holding the volume down key. Keep holding volume down and connect your device to your computer. As you can see, Fastboot and Rescue Mode pops up. Here you can read information about your device, like the factory reset protection status, and you can also connect to your computer to flash your phone. To quit this mode, press and hold the power key. The device is restarting. Wait until the operation completes. Now you can use your device normally. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up.